Understanding the trombone mouthpiece. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into an exciting aspect of musical instruments, specifically focusing on the trombone. Our topic is all about understanding what a trombone mouthpiece is and its significance. Whether you're a music enthusiast, a budding trombonist, or just curious, this video will clarify this important piece of the trombone puzzle. Before we talk about the mouthpiece, let's understand the trombone itself. The trombone is a brass instrument known for its sliding mechanism, which distinguishes it from other members of the brass family. It produces sound when the player vibrates their lips on the mouthpiece, creating airwaves inside the instrument. This process is crucial as it sets the foundation for the role of the mouthpiece in producing music. The trombone mouthpiece is a critical component of the instrument. It is the part where the player blows into to produce sound. The design of the mouthpiece affects the quality of sound, tone, and playability. It's made of brass and comes in various shapes and sizes, each tailored to suit different playing needs and preferences. Choosing the right mouthpiece is essential for any trombonist. The shape, cup depth, rim width, and shape, and size of the mouthpiece can greatly influence a player's performance. A deeper cup produces a warmer, mellower sound, suitable for classical music, while a shallower cup is better for brighter, more projecting sounds, like in jazz. Beginners often start with a medium-sized mouthpiece for a balanced tone. Taking care of the trombone mouthpiece is vital for hygiene and maintaining good playing condition. Regular cleaning with warm soapy water and a mouthpiece brush is recommended to remove buildup and bacteria. Proper maintenance also includes handling the mouthpiece carefully to avoid dents and ensuring it's always properly aligned when attached to the trombone. We hope this video has shed light on the importance of the trombone mouthpiece and helped you understand its role in producing beautiful music. Whether you're playing classical, jazz, or any other genre, the right mouthpiece can make all the difference. Thank you for watching, and keep practicing to find the sound that's right for you.